So friends, welcome to my channel. If you guys are facing this error out of video memory trying to allocate a rendering resource, make sure your video card has the minimum required memory. Try lowering the resolution and or closing other applications that are running, exiting. So guys, if you facing this error in your Fortnite, so guys, watch this video till end because I'm showing in this video the solution. And do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So guys, first solution is check if your computer meet the game's system requirement. So guys, this line is very important, so you have to remember this, and this is the first solution. Now going on the second solution, the second is customize the virtual memory size. Customize the virtual memory size. This is the second solution, and it is also a very important line to remember. Now going on the third solution. So guys, the third solution is update the graphics driver. So guys, this is the third solution, update the graphics driver. Now going on the fourth solution is modify the graphics card settings. Modify the graphics card settings. So this is the fourth solution. Now going on the fifth and the last solution. The last and fifth solution, check if there is a latest game patch. So these lines are very important to remember, and this is the solutions of this error problem. I hope guys you understand what I am saying, and do like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. Thanks for watching.